Hi everyone, and welcome back to Cook with Kim. And if this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe and support the channel if you like the tutorial. Today's video is a tutorial on cooking hard chicken in tomato soup. So enjoy the video and don't forget to comment any feedback. Put the chicken in a non-stick pan, add salt to taste, add onion, add the bay leaves, add the chicken stock cube, add black ground pepper. You can add more flavoring if you wish. I've added Maggi seasoning. Add a bit of water, not a lot, roughly 200 milliliters should be fine. Don't add too much water to allow the seasoning to marinate with the chicken. You can add a little bit more water later if required. Cover the pan and cook on low to medium fire, adding water when necessary. So the chicken is now soft enough for me to carry on cooking it in the oven. So I'm going to put it in the oven to roast a bit while I prepare the tomato sauce, which I will mix with the chicken. So here's the rest of the ingredients. Wash and cut the vegetable in small pieces. Put the tomato puree aside and add all the vegetable in the blender and blend until smooth. I'm putting the pan that the chicken was boiled into back in fire, and I'm using low fire. So I'm gonna add the tomato paste which I've just blended, and then I'm gonna add tomato puree and then mix it all together and let it fry slowly. The tomato sauce has been cooking for approximately 20 minutes now, and it's cooking really well. I'm now going to remove the chicken from the oven, which is also ready, and add it to the tomato sauce. So once you've added all the chicken in the pan, add a little bit more water to get the volume of the soup you desire. Stir it and cover the pan for its final cooking stage. The chicken has been cooking long enough for it to be soft now. If the chicken is still a little hard, then keep cooking it for a little longer. Cook on low fire and add a little bit of water if required until chicken is soft enough as desired. Here is our hard chicken cooked in tomato sauce. Thanks for watching, and I hope you liked the tutorial. If you did, get your test bud ready and join Cook with Kim for the next video coming soon.